Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Suman Patel, and yes, I know you are going very well in your life, and everything happening in your life, which is fabulous. So, this is the day 9 of my journey where I took a challenge to improve my English. So, it is going to till 90 days, and might be this journey will be go ahead more. So, today I learned one thing, which is a process. Like whenever you try to adopt anything or learn, you want to be fluent in any language. I'm not talking about especially English. You can learn if you want to learn any language. So there are three steps which you have to follow it. It like mandatory. If you want to get improvement very fast, or if you want to get improvement in a correct manner. So first thing is writing. So whenever you learn anything or study, try to write down each and everything on notebook. Why I'm telling you? Because whenever you write down anything, it going to absorb in your mind, like in your subconscious mind as well as conscious mind, and these things you will never get forget. So it is a first process, and second process is make audio. After that, make audio every day, and every task whichever you done on writing, like writing purpose. Because whenever you record yourself as a audio, and after that you listen that audio, you will get clarity where you are making mistake, or where you need to more improvement, where you need to do more improvement. And you can also analyze your progress through it. So once your audio will done, then you just switch yourself to make videos. So whenever you make video, it will increase your confidence, fear of speaking in front of people. So and you also know the your body language and how to you act in front of public or people. So by this process you will get a lot of improvement in your learning process. Why I'm telling you? Because I'm doing these things from many days, and yes, I realized, yes, it is impacting on me, and I'm getting better day by day. Because a few videos I didn't record, because that time I was recording myself and store in my cell phone. So from there to now, to till date, I realized and seen improvement in myself. I'm able to speak for a long time, as you can say, for 4 to 5 or 10 minutes. Earlier it was very difficult for me. Earlier I got fumble, and I hesitated many times. Means it was difficult to speak one or two sentences at that time. but now I can speak long compared to previous. So that's why I am telling to you, you just apply these technique in your life and you will get a result. I'm damn sure you will get result. Just try it, and if you get result, please let me know, because this technique gave me lot of benefits to improve my writing pattern and also in speaking. And one thing, whenever you write anything, like suppose that you are writing any word in of English, and it is difficult to memorize spelling about that, how to spell. So whenever you write more and more time, and you give on writing part more time, so you will get improvement. You will get lots of things which you didn't know about that those things in the past, but now you can write or you can spell very easily. So that's why try to write down 2 to 3 paragraphs daily basis. You can write as a essay form or as a like anything, you just write down. If you're only working on vocabs, so you just write down every day 10, 20 or 15, as much as you can do. It's not a foundation to you have to do 20 vocabulary learned or 50 vocabulary. It's depend on your capacity, how much you capable. According to that, you just wrote you just write 5 vocabularies a day, and use those vocabularies in your speaking or writing language. So it will impact on your that learning process, and definitely you will get result. So I'm going to close it for today, and I'm sure you will get result whenever you apply these technique in your life. Thank you so much for today, and I will connect you again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.